In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy Namecheap shared hosting step by step so you know exactly what you're getting and how to complete your purchase with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the Namecheap shared hosting page. This is where all of their shared hosting plans are listed and compared. On this page, you'll notice three main options. The first is called Stellar. This plan is designed for basic sites and lets you host up to 3 websites on a single account. It's a good fit if you're just getting started, running a personal site, a small blog, or maybe a couple of small projects, and you don't expect heavy traffic right away. Next, you'll see the Stellar Plus plan. This one supports unlimited websites, so you're not restricted to just a few domains. It's ideal if you plan to build multiple sites over time, or you're managing sites for different ideas or small clients. A key selling point of Stellar Plus is that it includes automatic backups. That means your website data is regularly saved without you needing to remember to do it manually, which can be a lifesaver if you ever need to restore your site after a mistake or an issue. The third option is Stellar Business. This plan is focused on higher performance and comes with cloud storage. It's generally better suited for busier websites, small businesses, or online stores that need more reliability and faster response times. The cloud storage feature helps with improved stability and can handle more demanding usage compared to basic shared storage. On the pricing side, you'll see a promotional rate listed for each plan. For example, the Stellar plan might show something like a low monthly cost with a yearly total beside it. The Stellar Plus and Stellar Business plans will also show their own promo prices. These promotional prices are usually discounted for your first term, especially if you choose a longer billing cycle, such as a full year. It's important to note that after this initial term, the price typically renews at the standard rate, so it's worth checking the renewal price on the page before you finalize your order. Take a moment to think about what you actually need. If you're only planning on a single simple website or a couple of small projects, the Stellar plan is usually enough. If you like the idea of unlimited sites and built-in automatic backups, Stellar Plus is a strong, flexible choice. And if performance and extra reliability are priorities because you're running a business or expect more traffic, then Stellar Business is the safer, long-term option. Once you've decided which plan fits you best, click the button on that plan's box to continue. From there, Namecheap will guide you through choosing your billing cycle, setting up or connecting a domain name, and creating or signing into your account so you can pay and activate the hosting. I'm going to walk you through how to complete those checkout steps and finish your hosting setup in the next part. But for now, you should have a clear understanding of the three Namecheap shared hosting options, what type of user each one is best for, and how their promo pricing works so you can choose with confidence.